Whew. It's steep. A little bit lost. Fucking jumps out here. What the fuck? Okay, let's do a little breakdown of this thing. It's the Crust Nor'easter, running a 1x12 system, friction. If you're lazy and don't like maidens like me, and it's got a, I don't know what those cranks are called, some crank on it, and a wolf tooth, maybe 36, don't know either. Then we got the Crust wheels wrapped in the Ultra Emico Mars, is it? Up the front, yeah, Mars 2.2 and Carver 2.2 on the back. And we got a Brooks Cambium, is that what they're called? Brooks Cambium or Brooks Natural, I don't know what it's called. Just put that on yesterday, first ride on it. Seems pretty good. I used to think what lunatic would put a white saddle on their bike. Well, I guess I've turned into that lunatic. I went with this so I can go swimming when I see swim spots and not have to worry about the leather shitting the bed on the other saddles. Then we got Crust headset, Nitto stem, TRP levers, Nitto bottle cages with the VB rip-off bottles that say Bonza Bikes, because Heaps Good Garage was going to be called that, and then I changed my mind and now I got a bunch of bottles. What else we got on this thing? We got the palm oil brakes and Campy rotors, what do you call them? Rotors, yeah. Crust pedal, wheels BB with the NO that Crust did with them. A Nitto rack up to hold the bag. This rack's not out yet, but it's doing pretty good. It's got 3 attachment points up top, good triangulation. And we got the Fabs chest. This is the I guess the bag that rebirthed the Paradise bag. It took it the next step, and now there's about 5,000 copies of it. This is still the best one, I reckon. What else is on this thing? That's pretty much it, I think. Got the lowriders on there. I don't know why I never use panniers. I do sometimes, but they look cool. Yeah, oh, a seat post. That's a Suntour Superb. I don't know where that came from. Maybe Garrett? Don't know. Nice post though. That's about it. This is a real good bike, I reckon, for if you're going on a ride, you don't know where you're going to end up and what kind of terrain you're going to be on. I really like quill stems. I know a lot of people hate on them, I'm not sure why. They're really, I think, the perfect kind of flex for this kind of bike and the kind of riding you do on it. Obviously you don't want one on a full-on mountain bike or a pure road bike maybe. Actually on a pure road bike I don't know why you wouldn't either, but I'm not fast, so you'd have to ask a fast guy why. Too flexy maybe? I don't know. But yeah, quill stems have nothing but benefits in my opinion, yet a lot of people seem to hate on them. Whatever, each their own. And that is the Crust Nor'easter. It's size 52 I think. Yeah, it looks like it. I forgot the bars. Everyone loves talking about handlebars and I completely forgot about them. These are the Crust Nitto Bonneville bar. I'm pretty sure. You think I'd fucking know. Good bar. Not really much flare on it, so if you're riding real rough stuff, you'd probably want to get like a Nulla bar or Shaka bar or something, because you might hit your wrists. But it feels good going from the hoods down into the drops and not being way wider on this bike. And then I got this Crust bar end plug. I don't think they're out yet either. Coming, I guess, at some point. Yeah, love this bike. Bye bye.